Kamala Harris, as can be expected from Kamala Harris, Hillary Clinton 2.0, I guess, is what you'd call her. I don't even know. She's not even is she as bad as Hillary? It's like she's not quite as like shrieky and cringy as Hillary is, but she's much less smart.
Yeah, I think it's more like they're both super arrogant, but something about Kamala is like she just thinks that she is talking down to you, and she thinks that you as the voter are just inferior to her, and she knows so much more than you, which, like you said, is not true because she's less smart probably even than Hillary Clinton, who's not that smart of a person, but she was smarter than Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris does not have a very good record, especially as vice president. She said some really just unintelligent things. So I think that this attitude that she has makes her even more unlikable in that sense.
Yep. And so she basically was the one that declared war on Republicans, declared war on the Supreme Court of the United States. Harris recently said, if the court overturns Roe v. Wade, it will be a direct assault on freedom, on the fundamental right of self-determination to which all Americans are entitled. Women in almost half the country could see their access to abortion severely limited, Harris said. In 13 of those states, women would lose access to abortion immediately and outright. Those Republican leaders who are trying to weaponize the use of law against women, well, we say, how dare they? She's starting to sound a little bit like Greta Thunberg.
Yeah.
How dare they? How dare they tell a woman what she can do and cannot do with her own body? How dare they? How dare they? Wow, I don't think I can say how dare they one more time.
That's a lot of how dare theys.
At its core, she went on to say, at its core, Roe recognizes the fundamental right to privacy, which is, total crap, like we said. Think about that for a moment. When the right to privacy is attacked, anyone in our country may face a future where the government can interfere with their personal decisions, not just women, anyone. Irony is pretty rich right there.
Yeah.
We've spent 2 years not being able to make personal decisions thanks to the government. And it's just the only way Republicans want the government to have its hands in anything is when it comes to abortion. And outlawing Roe v. Wade, that just leaves it up to the states. Most of these leftists are saying, Kamala Harris wasn't saying this, but most of these leftists are saying that now that Roe v. Wade's gone, abortion is just going to be illegal everywhere. That's not the case. It's just remanded to the states.
Kamala Harris didn't say that, but she's making it sound as if this abortion is going to be severely limited across America, which is not true. Especially in the states where the most leftist people are. Those that you see these protests in California, in Oregon, in New York. Those are the states where abortion would never be outlawed because they're very strong Democrat states, and it's never going to, more than likely, never going to be a Republican-led state legislature that would then outlaw abortion. So those people really don't have anything to worry about.
Yeah.
But, the Democrats, Kamala Harris, they have no interest in being honest and telling those people you're still going to be able to get abortions. They'd rather just use their anger for their own good.